विसवा उपरांत येवकार गोंय राज्य कायदेशीर सेवा प्राधिकरणान उत्तर गोंय जिल्लो कायदेशीर सेवा प्राधिकरणाच्या जोडपालवान लिगल लिटरसी क्लबाचें उक्तावण केलें तशेंच जागृताय कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली। शेनवारा ही कार्यावळ पणजेच्या मुष्टीफंड हायस्कॉलान जस्टिस CB भादंग आनी श्रीमती शबनम शेख हांच्या हजेरींत जाली। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Believe me, we have passed through your phase. You are yet to reach our phase of life. But this is the most beautiful part of any person's life. With so much opportunity to learn and to aspire to be a very good citizen of tomorrow. The object of you must be knowing that there are several extracurricular activities in the schools. In your schools also they are there. Now we would be adding one more activity to that, not strictly extracurricular, but not strictly academic also. The object is basically to introduce you to at least some preliminary niceties of law. Because you know, the headmistress was telling me that you have got a subject called political science, right? So you have got some insight on the how our constitutions were drafted, how our polity was formed, what are the institutions of our democracy. You know this. The parliament at the center, state legislatures at the state. You know this by and large. So the concept is to introduce the students at an early age to all the relevant laws which affect their day-to-day life. We will try to simplify it. There are traffic laws. Now everybody of you must be either taking your own vehicle or must be traveling by a vehicle of the school or the government, provided by the government. So you know that there are traffic laws to be followed. As simple as wearing helmet while riding a two-wheeler, not using mobile while riding a two-wheeler. So these are also laws which needs to be introduced to everybody. And you know that if a person is taught something at the early age of his life,